The very sound of the rain is very pleasant. Pleasant to the ears and pleasant to the mind. It's nice to see this raining. I don't know how much it is raining in Bagdogra, but over here now it has slightly increased compared to my first video. And the rain makes this rhythm on the tin roof of this building. Birds manage, even though they get drenched in the rain, they manage. They don't have much problem. Only when it comes to us human beings, we find it difficult. Some are more strong, they can withhold the rain. Others get sick. I know one person who got wet in the rain during the COVID time, and he got completely drenched and traveled further for a long time, and he got ill, I think typhoid, and even died. But the birds survived. That's a miracle of God. God has given them special power, I think. They fly and they will be just sitting on the trees now. They are very quiet. During the whole day they make nice music, chirping here. At least some of us enjoy that. We can see that. This is a small pathway leading to Mother Mary Grotto there, over there. At the end of this road is Mother Mary Grotto. Let us thank God for blessing us with His grace and this rain. Let the week be a fine one. See you in the next video. Bye now.